But come what may, we have the people's love and affection. And in democracy, people say the last word, not the ruler.
Unong yalang baar hakakardan hadin kamamata Banerjee u Abhishek Banerjee, General Secretary Jok All India Trinamool Congress, ulawan poy ha Shillong banyakan dua bat matphang, yaki kampen yara kani kaseng, bat kinoyalam rang ba jong kahang ni ha Meghalaya ki bakan tubi Dr. Mukul Sangma, baru ba Charles Pingrop. Lapdiang buram yu Abhishek Banerjee da kidokot jok kani kaseng ki bala mikmat yaki rang ba ki longkme, bat ki samla shenrang bat kintay. Katu kan iteliki surok hakidong kasor Shillong kila kawe baro shilinter kilinti da kila makaseng AITC. Kajingalang hapadang kinoyalam rangba ke AITC kabalong ha State Central Library, klarai bantur syakmat hakini kibenai banwan bat pendrung dekot ha baro ki constituency jong kani kajela. Kajing temu bakong san ka AITC kalong banwan rai kajing kala ha baro ki district kathan lamingi kari India.
To all, and I welcome our Honorable National General Secretary, Shri Abhishek Banerjee, our state in charge, Dr. Banerjee, our leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, to this august gathering. We are immensely encouraged today with the presence of our honorable members of the legislative assemblies, the honorable members of the district councils, district presidents, coordinators, conveners, block committee members, our members from the Meghalaya Congress, the Trinamool Youth Congress, members of the Students' Wing, and all our beloved party workers.
Although elections are 6 months apart, but come what may, we have the people's love and affection. And in democracy, people say the last word, not the ruler. So the kind of love and affection that we have experienced in today's meeting, I am overjoyed with your love and support.
We have gathered here on a very special occasion when Trinamool Congress takes another giant leap in the state. I am ecstatic to welcome our National General Secretary, Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, on his maiden visit to Meghalaya. This is the first of his many visits planned ahead. I am overjoyed to be in the presence of our leader of the opposition in Meghalaya, Dr. Mukul Sangma, and the Honorable State President of Trinamool Congress, Mr. Charles Pingrop.
As members of this great parivar who have demonstrated across the nation under the dynamic and committed and selfless leadership of Mamata Didi and her lieutenant Abhishek Banerjee, that we can fight against all forces and we can overcome all challenges and we can prevail. My heartfelt thanks to all of you once again. You have all been working against all odds. I salute you. I salute all our friends who have come here, and my big apology on behalf of my party comrades, for we have not been able to give you enough seats to sit here today and be part of this great program. Many of you are standing outside. How many hours you must have been standing? But as I've said, there is no shortcut when we want to build a state. When we want to help our people, when we want to serve our people with utmost sense of commitment, dedication, sincerity, and honesty. And we want to leave behind a state where everybody can say that, yes, I belong to a state where I have a sense of complete well-being, that I'm able to further amplify my energy